Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be taking a look at the brand new Leica M11. Let's unbox this thing and check it out. So one thing we noticed is that they have a new seal on here. That's a nice big Leica red dot. Let's see. A bit different shape of a box this time around. It's more square than the other boxes that there has been. All right. So right when you see, looks like an ad for a Q2 basically. Got some information in here. LFI, basically just LFI info in this top piece. Just saying that it is a made for Apple item here. 1 year free membership to the LHSA. Got your little certificate here. Quick start guide. Here. Well, that's a bit different layout. That's kind of nice actually. So you have your Leica Photos cable along with a nice little Leica red sticker. So this is a USB-C to Lightning cable, which is pretty interesting. That's actually really nice to see. Let's take a look at the strap. Just kind of a standard black leather strap. We've got a proper USB-A to USB-C cable for the charger, which plugs into this guy, which is your wall charger. Okay, so for your charger, you have this that goes to the wall, with this cable to this thing that actually charges the battery. And you do have a new battery here for the M11. It is the BP SCL7, and these are going to be kind of color matched to the camera. So you're gonna have these in either black or silver. Got that nice weather sealing around the actual battery here. All right, here is the M11. Let's clear off the table just a hair. All right. That is pretty. So it's a new black finish. It is actually supposed to be significantly more durable than the previous finishes. It is still kind of like a chrome kind of look, but it is actually paint. You know, right off the bat, this camera actually feels really light, and that has to do with the new materials that they use to make the black camera. So the black camera is actually going to be lighter than the silver camera. So that is something to keep in mind if that's something that you do care about. So we're gonna go ahead and put a card in as well. So now with the cards, you actually have to remove the battery to put your card in. And one special thing to note also is that you do now actually have a USB-C port on the bottom of the camera, which is really cool. So you can actually charge the camera that way. You can also offload the images that way. And speaking of which, the camera actually has internal memory now. And if you want to see more information about this camera, make sure you check out the link in the top right, where Carlo actually has a chance to take this camera out and shoot it and put it through a real world review. Definitely go check that out. We also have the EVF here. And while I open this up, if you're enjoying this video, hit that like button. And you know what, consider subscribing to the channel if you want to see more great content. And drop a comment down below. What camera are you gonna go with? Do you want the silver or the black? Personally, I've always been a fan of the silver cameras, so I personally would go silver. So this is the new Leica EVF2. You get a little pouch here to carry it in. Wow, this is way different from the previous EVFs that we've seen from Leica. Wow, that is pretty cool. Does articulate. Let's go ahead and throw this thing on here. So that is the brand new Leica M11. Like I said before, make sure you go check out our review that we did where Carlo took it through the streets of San Francisco and shot it. This is Adam, and I'll see you next time.